In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit documents in WPS Office. First, open WPS Office on your computer. Once the program launches, you'll be ready to bring in the file you want to work on. WPS Office supports common document formats, so this is useful whether you're editing a Word document, a text file, or another compatible document type. Next, click Open and choose the document you want to edit. You can select files such as doc, docx, txt, and similar formats. After the document opens, take a quick moment to look over the page so you know where you want to make changes. To begin editing, simply click anywhere inside the document and start typing. If you want to change existing content instead of adding new text, highlight the text you want to update and then type over it or make your changes directly. This makes it easy to revise wording, fix mistakes, or replace old information with updated content. For formatting, go to the Home tab. This is where you'll find many of the most commonly used editing tools. From here, you can adjust the font style and font size to change the appearance of your text. You can also apply bold, italic, or underline to emphasize important words or sections. If you want to make your document more visually organized, you can change the text color, adjust the alignment so text is left aligned, centered, or right aligned, and modify the line spacing to make the document easier to read. These tools are especially helpful when you want your document to look cleaner and more professional. If you need to add extra elements to the page, open the Insert tab. This section allows you to place pictures into your document, which is useful for reports, flyers, or visual instructions. You can also insert tables to organize data, shapes to highlight content, or design a layout, and page numbers to make longer documents easier to navigate. WPS Office also includes more editing options beyond these basics, so it's a good idea to explore the tabs along the top toolbar. As you become more familiar with the layout, you'll discover additional tools that can help with design, structure, and overall document organization. Before you finish, don't forget to save your changes. This is an important final step, so none of your edits are lost. You can save as you go if you're making multiple updates, which is a good habit for any document editing task. And that's it. That's how to edit documents in WPS Office.